So we've been learning about drones for the past few weeks, and we've learned about like positional language, and we've learned lefts and rights for people that didn't know them. We learned the coordinates on the grid.
So 100 centimeters is a meter. So if you go forward 100 centimeters, you go forward a meter.
Can you code? And then I'm going to travel to Tomato.
What coordinate is tomato at?
C3.
I think I'll last a bit longer.